What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you want to know how to clean the Yamaha R3 rims, I'll show you how. Yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm in the storage room, you can see next to the bike. So I'll be showing you guys how to clean the R3 rims. There's two products that I use. I'll show you and we'll go from there. So let's get this process going. I don't have too much time, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so the products I'm going to be using, I got Goof Off to get the tough grime off. They got Simple Green to get the extra stuff off, to make sure the goof off is not on the rim no more. Got towels. Then I got shop towels. So depending how you guys want to clean your rims, you can use both, or just save money. You can use the shop towels. Just however you guys want to do that. So, but this extra stuff is gonna be later on a separate video on how to install the rims onto the R3. So, alright guys, so you see the products I'm gonna be using. So let's get to this and let's get starting the process. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the tires, start cleaning them. Like I said, Goof Off, Simple Green. So at the same time, I am sorry about the camera. If it gets too dark or too bright, the clouds are going in and out. So today it's a really cloudy day. So let's just start cleaning them. If I have to, I'll do a time lapse, but I'll show you exactly what I'm gonna do. And if I have to do a time lapse, I'll do a time lapse. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I cleaned up the tire. You can see it's really dirty. So probably it's just like 2-3 minutes already. It's starting looking pretty good. You can see the center's really dirty. I'm gonna clean that, but the rest is pretty good. The only thing I will say to be careful with Goof Off, if you're gonna have any stickers on your rim, Goof Off, it's gonna literally take off the adhesive and take out the sticker. So if you don't want to take off the stickers, don't use the Goof Off. I'm not too worried about my rim tape right there, because I'm thinking about changing out that later on. But at the same time, I'm pretty much careful. I'm not gonna put too much Goof Off at the edge. I'm gonna use Simple Green. That's why I have this one for the edge, and to be more safer around the bearings. So I'm not going to use the Goof Off around the bearings. I'm going to use this around here so it won't take out the grease inside. So alright guys, let me put this as a time lapse and go as quick as we can. Alright guys. Alright guys, so we just finished up cleaning up the wheels. You can see how long it takes. Time lapse took a while. I think I set it up for 15 minutes. So I'll show you the end process and yeah, go from there. But that one, you can see that when I'm in the time lapse, I'm sitting on it. That's my old wheel. That's all dinged up, it's dented. So I cleaned up the sprocket on this. That's the old one from that one over here. So I already pre-cleaned that one from the old tire, so I'll show you. So this one, this is all nice and clean now. The new rubber bushings behind this is clean. They're brand new or brand newer. So, but overall you can see the wheel is nice and clean. Has some shine to it. You can take extra time to clean these rims. So you can see these are really pretty good. Show you that. Get the other one out. So here we go. This wheel has some scratches on it, so that's not too bad. This is like literally baked down there. Can take it off. Only if I have to use a scrubber, but I don't want to. So, but overall, it came out pretty good. You can have some rim shiner if you wanted to, but I'm pretty good. So yeah, guys. So that's the wheels. It's nice and clean, as much as I can. So I'm gonna start mounting them onto the wheel, onto the bike. So that's gonna be a separate video. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, so everything's ready and clean. So if you guys like that content, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. It lets me know that you like this content. It lets YouTube know too that people like this. How to DIY, how to clean, how to take them off, so on and so forth. But yeah guys, I'll be in the comments down there when I upload this video. But yeah guys, let me know what videos you want to see. But right now, it's getting late. Gotta mount those tires on there. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be installing the tires. Alright guys, peace out.